Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a quick video about my Ladakh tour, which I will be doing from July 4th till 18th. This is the Royal Enfield Himalayan Odyssey, in which I will be taking part. More details about Himalayan Odyssey will be there in the description section. So what I wanted to do before the actual ride begins is to show you all the gear that I am taking in my Ladakh tour. So the first up is the saddlebag. This is from Triton. It's called Triton X2. Fairly good. I've been using it for past 8 months now. I've gone to Goa and many other places using this, and it's been good. I think haven't had any problems with this saddlebag. It has rain covers as well, and it can hold fairly good amount of stuff in here in both bags. Next up, an important element of any journey is the helmet. This one is from SMK, about 1450 grams helmet. Earlier I used to have a Royal Enfield helmet, but I thought it was fairly heavy, so I decided to go for this helmet on recommendation of a friend of mine. So the features of this helmet are: it has dual shades. There is a sun shade as well, sun visor, as you can see, and it also has a pin lock facility. As you can see, I've already put the chin mount for my GoPro over here. It's fairly easy to put it. And I thought the chin mount view would give a truly good point of view when you are shooting with a GoPro. Next up, jacket. This one is a Royal Enfield jacket. This one I bought it when I bought the bike. Fairly okay. It has good protection in the elbows, in the shoulders, and in the back. Sorry. Yeah. And it also has I removed this inner thermal wears because you don't need it when you're driving in city conditions, but it's definitely needed in Ladakh. Next up, riding pants. This one is from Smita. It has good knee protections and thigh protection as well. Yeah. Next up is some of the other important items, like for example, let's say I'm carrying these thermal gloves. If it gets a little bit colder in Ladakh, then I'll be wearing this along with my gloves, and some thermal wear as well. All of these are bought from Decathlon. Okay. Next is gloves. This one is from a German company called Held. Fairly popular. Okay, these are called air and dry gloves. Very unique in design because it has two chambers. The first one is when you ride in warmer conditions, because it has perforations on the top, so air can flow in. And the bottom chamber is when you put your hand in over here. It's for extremely cold conditions. And good protection, waterproof, and fairly good. And these are some of the elbow guards from Pro Biker and knee guards that I will be taking in my tour to Ladakh. Some of the other things that I would be taking to Ladakh is this genuine parts kit. It's called long distance riding kit. You can get it from any Royal Enfield service center. So this has a spark plug, a couple of them, then clutch cable, then headlamps, and some of the fuses, various other lights, indicator lights, etc. Fairly useful to carry them. I'm also carrying one accelerator cable or throttle cable, and also another pair of another spark plug, another clutch cable. I'm sorry. One more additional thing is I will be carrying this headlamp, especially because in some of the areas in Ladakh we'll be living in tents. It's useful that you carry these headlamps, which you can strap it on top of your head. Okay, that's it from my side. I'll be sharing a few more videos when the trip starts. Thank you. Looking forward to your comments. And please do subscribe. Bye.